good, life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like
done this last night. I always should have done this last night. I always should have done this last night. I always remember the morning after. I need to get it into my routine. Lube the chain up. It's wax lube as well. It needs time. So good morning, folks. Welcome back. Day 7, cycling around the Netherlands. 1,000 miles. It's about 105 today. I've just left the hotel in Emmerloord, making my way to Urk here in Flevoland, and today marks the point where I'm returning back north again into a headwind. Boo! Heading towards the island of Texel. Gonna be jumping on a ferry from Den Helder to Den Haag, I think. Hopefully the weather's gonna play ball. It's gonna be sunshine and showers kind of day, I think. Look, as you just saw behind me, glorious sunshine shining over a canal next to me, on a nice wide canal, protected from the wind on the right. Well, just ahead of me, if you look between the trees, between the gaps, today is going to be a pretty long day. Do you know why? Because 7, 8, 9 and 10. Oh, because we've got to get from Emmerloord to the Isle of Texel, very top of the island. So it's adding an extra 11 or 12 kilometres to the route, but obviously I needed a night indoors to get everything dry, because I had no clothes to get dry. The only thing what hasn't got dry is the tent. I didn't give that to the laundry folk. Probably should have done, really. Stick it in an extra drum, I suppose. But the idea is today, as I'm riding, I'll find a suitable place, like a park, a couple of trees. Autumn has arrived. The warm weather started, the week, the 10 days has now passed. We're expecting highs of 13, so maybe rain jacket just have to stay on all day. Hooray! Making progress. Munching miles. Hello, sheepies. Hello, little ladies. Watching out for shit everywhere. And of course, off to my right, this amazing view as I ride along the Zuidmeerdijk. Beautiful. The idea is, I'm going to go all the way around there. There's a bridge, centre picture, and head over there to that coastal line, to Lelystad, where back in 2022, during the race around the Netherlands, I found a host via warmshowers.org. They put me up for the night, managed to get loads of electrics charged up, didn't cost me a penny. All my clothes clean, all that good stuff. So at the moment, I can talk properly because there's no wind. Go behind me. Morning. So got some miles to do today, and not an awful lot of time to do it. Big thanks once again to go to Redshift, who've kindly supplied me with not only the stem, which is hiding underneath all the gubbins around there, Got their seat post as well. It has really helped on the cobble sections, and there's lots of cobbledy roads, woodlands, you know, they've been pretty good, pretty smooth. But on the cobbly sections, it's been fantastic. On here, well, smooth as anything, smooth as butter. It's around the Netherlands. Land here, isn't it? Everybody seems to be going the same direction as well. Apparently there's a path here, but it's all covered over by grass. Why is nobody coming the other way? Literally, why isn't nobody coming the other way? They ought to close that motorway down if it's not being used. Give it away to a cyclist. Because there's no one on it right now, that means it never gets used. Well, I'm going along the I'm going to pronounce it Ismerdijk. Just a continuation of where the Zoomerdijk was. And it's got to be the longest curve in the world. And then that curve line. Oh. Tell you what, if the sky wasn't blue, this would be so bleak. It already feels bleak. It's just 11k of this, but after this I'm gonna follow. I can see the outline of land, and there's a really tiny sliver of bridge, I guess it's gonna be a bridge, across the water there, and that's gonna be full on headwind. So I'm just hopefully the wind stays as it is. There's gonna be a lot of this stuff to look at for me today. I do love the water, really do. Although it'd be nice to have a few bends and things, and a few gates. A couple of gates, that would be good. Just to make things a bit more interesting. It doesn't seem to get any closer. For anybody who's interested how long this is, 26 kilometres. On this bike, my setup, that's easily over an hour to ride at that little bit of land here in Newland. Not really much here. There's a viewing point made out of a shipping container. I guess shipping is very big in Netherlands, if you think about it. I guess it is quite symbolic in a way. However, it looks very like they haven't spent a lot of money on it. So yeah, I'm about the halfway mark then. Fancy that, another windmill. So I'm in, what was it, Medembeck? Don't think that's right. Just walked into a bike shop. Big thanks to the guy at Absolute Sport giving me directions. I'm a happy cyclist again. My legs are no longer cold. Medembelk. Anyway, yeah, I've got some leg warmers on now. I can't keep my legs very warm. The sun has spent plenty of time in the clouds, so it's not really got warm much today. There's no reason why the rain jacket stayed on for much of the day, because it's just been really cold wind. Right, anyway, got a ferry to catch. Quite an interesting way to pass some time along here. Now, on the 540 and the 1040, you've got road hazards now. Some cyclists has been along here and marking all these markers as an obstruction or hazard. So when it gets down to 0, it says, when I finally get there, is it still there? Oh, obstruction's still there. No, it's not. Traffic islands. Oh, there we go. There's another one coming up. Look, 240. I can see it from here. Traffic islands are not an obstruction. Yes, for motorists, to keep them off the end road right over there. That's what these was. Keep them slowed down. Maybe if you're in a big peloton, that's probably what it is. It's an obstruction, but no, I don't know. Anyway, it's giving me something to do. As I creep the way to Den Helder, which is not far away, I don't think. It's only a 20-minute crossing. I've just got to find some digs for the night. Hopefully I'll find somewhere not too wet and wild and some trees or something like that. The cheapest B&B is £97. It's like steep, innit? Right, let's get off this ship. Well, if you join me for the next video, you'll see more Texel. I'm gonna just find somewhere to sleep for the night. As for this video, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, and you don't want to miss the next one, don't forget to hit subscribe. And whilst you're there, give the video a thumbs up and stick a comment down below. Right, for me, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Coming up next time on Bikepacking the Netherlands.
And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, life